Independent Jim here, and you own a Peugeot 108, Citroen C1, Toyota Aygo, and your clutch feels weird, it's either too high, too low, and you think you've got a big bill coming your way. Well, what you might actually need to do is just adjust the clutch cable. And there's many videos on how to do this. And they're always like, oh, you squeeze your hand down here, move the pipes out of the way, do this, do that. If you've got big hands and you've never done it before, so you don't know what you're actually looking for, you're doing it by feel, this is the best way I find to do it. What to do, remove your battery. I've already pre-loosened everything. So, take that off, bosh. Take off your positive, off you come. Bash. Battery out. Put it somewhere safe, on the ground. And you've got your battery tray holder. This is the most awkward one. Down there, you'll need a socket, an extension, and down there lives a 12mm bolt. So you need a 12mm socket. Take that out. You've got a bolt that goes there, a bolt that goes there, a bolt that goes there, and here, which is your fuse box, there's a little clip in there. Put a screwdriver in, releases the pressure, a little fiddling out comes your battery tray. Pop that to the side, and you can see this crusty big brown rod. That connects up to this cross here. Oh, where is it? There we go. See that cross? Basically, what you need to do, take the pressure off that cable, back inside the car, raise up your clutch pedal, any means necessary. So what I've got at hand is some bricks. So I'll put 2 bricks underneath, raises that the pedal as far as it can go, takes the pressure off the clutch cable, which in turn allows you to come back here, get a big screwdriver. I've got a big flat head, look at the size of this. And in there, just any means possible, you want to try and adjust the brown arm. See if I get this moving. There we go. Adjust that, take the pressure off. And if you want to bring the clutch pedal up, turn it towards the car, which then in turn exposes more thread. And if you want the clutch pedal to go down the way, you basically turn it to make less thread show. So you're turning it towards yourself. So hopefully that helps. And put a wee bit like WD-40 or something like that either side, and it'll help turn it. Once you've finished that, you've done your adjustment, just pretend that's went back into place. Back into place. Obviously, what to do is you can go back inside the car, and then you can take the bricks out. That puts the pressure back on that cross, and then you can put your battery back in place. What I do, just put the tray in. Don't do anything tight. Don't put any bolts in. Put the tray in. Put the battery on top. Put your positive on first, followed by your negative. Turn on the car and see how that feels. Drive it backwards and forwards and see how the clutch feels for you. Or you can just go inside the car, remove your bricks or whatever you use to lift up the clutch, and do a manual. See how it feels without turning on the car. If it still feels too low or too high, go back, adjust. But I find this a really easy way because you've got full access, and other ways want you to get to the back of that. So if I show you, oh, where is it? I want to get you to that side and turn that big nut. This, to me, seems the most logical, easy way. Take out that battery, full access, easy peasy, job's done.